back to my channel. I am Naturally Curlysa, and today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. Actually, I'm going to be doing a wash and leave-in conditioner and another product and another product and a brush and a go. Okay, I got a confession. No Usher. I washed my hair once already today because it didn't come out right. So here we are. So today I'm going to be using Annabelle's leave-in, Curlysa Wash and Go gel, and my Extreme Wetline Gel. I have been neglecting my wash and goes, and I'm here. I'm back. I'm back like I never left. I'm tired of doing twist outs. Bring on the shrinkage. Not really. I don't want any shrinkage. So if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. And alright, so I'm going to detangle my hair. My hair is so soft. I use that Natural Queen shampoo and conditioner. That's crazy, but no product. Alright, so I'm going to take some of this leave-in. Alright, being the scientist that I am, I've already rubbed these together and they worked out on my hand, so let's see how this works. I'm going to take Bay. This is Bay. Look at this moisture and the shine and the definition. I'm sorry, Wash and Go Bay. I will not neglect you ever again. Do you see the difference? I don't even gotta say that because you could just look and see. Huh? I'm talking to the people, Eris. I'm not talking to you.
Oh, here.
Thanks.
You need to?
Alright, don't worry about this bobby pin. This is just placeholder to make sure that this stays flat. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what the back looks like, and hopefully it doesn't look a mess, because if it does, don't talk about me. Matter of fact, if it does, I'm not even going to, I'm going to edit it out. How about that? I don't know if I'm centered. Can you see the shine and the definition? The shine and the definition are amazing. This was a great combo. A super awesome, great, double yum fun combo. So, this is my wash and go. I'm going to keep this in the back so that it doesn't dry on my shoulder. And then this side is up and the rest of it is like that. So I'm going to try to keep it to the back. But that's it. That's all I got, people. Loving this definition. Loving the shine in my hair. And Bae, I will never leave you again. I'm so sorry. Extreme Wetline Gel is Bae. And all the products that I have now do not mix with them. So I am super excited when I find something that mixes well with it. So, alright. I'll see y'all on the next video.